Was it supposed to snow today? No. Oh gosh. Our trip might get cut a little short because walking through the parking lot's a little slippery even. Let's go find a waterfall. It's gonna be an interesting day.
It's snowing.
It is. Well, it is definitely snowing out. We should still be able to go to the waterfall though, right? Yeah.
I think. I don't see why they were closing.
That's true. Maybe just a little less hiking than originally planned.
Yeah.
Made it to Gooseberry Falls. Hasn't stopped snowing yet. Say that again.
I said it sure makes it pretty slippery out today.
It is really slippery.
And then snow on top of ice. Like that.
Rude.
Exactly what I was talking about.
Last time we were here, this place was packed. Like, there were school tours everywhere. You couldn't find a place to park. Granted, we came here, like, peak season.
It wasn't peak, it was early still.
Well, I guess that's true.
It was May.
Oh, that is early. Well,
it was only a month.
It was packed and it was May. It wasn't even peak season.
a month from now.
Oh, careful! Ice out here. Not good. Waterfall should be interesting.
Oh.
For as much as we're complaining about the ice and snow, it is super beautiful. It's one thing you can't deny about winter. It's gorgeous. Oh good, more stairs. Careful! Alright, I'm gonna take the stairs, I think. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna die. Made it!
Maybe we'll go the path next time. That way we don't have to go up the stairs.
Stairs are a bad choice, don't do that.
Yeah, I wouldn't do them again.
Oh, coming up to it. What do you think of that snow, Stella? You feel the same way we do?
She's ready for Arizona.
Yeah, we're ready for some warm weather.
Warm weather.
No. Look at the amount of snow. This is in my hair. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be sopping wet by the time we get back in the car. It's not good.
The trail down to the loop is like icy as can be.
Everything is icy as can be.
But it's a big hill. I'll show you.
Okay, let's see.
These stairs are just like giant ski chutes. It's like a giant toboggan ride once you go down.
Yeah.
We're not gonna go down that.
Yeah, I think we can skip that.
We'll go and go back up on top.
Oh good, more stairs.
Yeah, not that way though.
Well, that way is part of the toboggan to go all the way down.
The long way.
The long way, okay. Hot tip, if you're here during the winter, don't go down the stairs. They are death. This is steeper than it looks, but I did not slip or fall once. You can wear the ice cleats, sir.
That would be a great idea.
That would be a really great idea because it is super cool here. It's beautiful out. But the threat of the ice is just not awesome sauce. People out here running in shorts, like spandex short shorts. It's cold and treacherous
32 degrees.
and snowing. Under 32 degrees, obviously, since it's snowing. Oh, that's dedication or something else. I don't know. No. No, it's a hard pass on the stairs. Long way sounds fine. This looks really cool because underneath the bridge, there's like no snow except for the stuff that's blowing, but the rest of it's just like peacefully falling in heaps. On the other side, you can see it in front of the trees there.
You found a cave? That's so cool! Oh my gosh, careful! That's awesome! Oh, this is a little sketchy.
Yeah, it's ice. It's pretty big though.
That's awesome.
Goes all the way back.
Oh boy. Okay.
Going down right. You see? I
That
didn't
is
notice
cool.
it was here last time.
This is awesome.
Yeah. Last time we were here, I never even seen. I guess I just never paid attention.
No, I had no idea this was here.
Because the waterfalls are right behind it.
Yeah.
So,
Oh,
I don't know, missed it.
find something new every time you visit.
Yep.
Yeah, this goes like, well, I guess not super far, but we're actually inside of it right now.
And then you look out there. Ugh. Chilly, icy nonsense is what's out there. Beautiful, chilly, icy nonsense. Hi.
Going down is going to be sketchy.
Going down is going to be really sketchy. Alright. Lucas is much more coordinated than I am and has much better balance. How?
Yep. Then go to the tree. Oh, you go.
Okay, tree. Okay. Oh, goody. Another one. Alright. Here are the falls. Or more falls.
Oh, heck yeah! Look at that. Stella's had enough. She's done.
Like, bring me back to the car. I've seen enough of this.
The snow is kind of turning to little baby hail.
Hail?
Like,
Frozen rain?
you can catch it in your hand.
Right.
Oh boy. Okay. I don't know what I'd do without that guy. Probably fall and break my neck. At this point, we're just praying that it doesn't start raining instead.
Yeah, that would suck.
It'd be really not awesome.
Squirrel.
Literally.
Stella wants to be friends with all the squirrels. He doesn't want to be your friend, Stella.
Oh, she's looking at birds now.
Yeah.
Oh, honey.
I think this is where we're gonna... Okay, try that again. I think this is where we're gonna wrap it up. Head back?
Head back home.
Head back home.
Get ready to pick our camper up tomorrow.
Yes, we're so excited.
Finally.
It's been a long time coming.
But, yeah.
Pumped. Can't wait for that video, right? All right, see you, bye.